In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Notion from your laptop quickly and easily. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to uninstall Notion from your laptop quickly and easily. Before we begin, make sure you've saved any open work in Notion and close the app. Uninstalling removes the program from your device, but it doesn't delete any content stored in your Notion account online, so your pages and databases remain safe. This process is for Windows laptops. To start, look at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click the search bar next to the Start menu. This is the quickest way to locate the app you want to remove without hunting through menus. In the search bar, type Notion. You should see Notion appear in the search results as the desktop app. Next, select Notion in the results and choose Uninstall. Depending on your Windows version, you might see the Uninstall option in the panel on the right, or it may appear when you interact with the Notion result. The key is to pick the Uninstall option associated with the Notion app result you just searched for. Once you select Uninstall, follow the prompts to remove Notion completely. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Choose Yes or Uninstall when prompted. If you're asked for administrator permission, allow it so the removal can proceed. The uninstallation may take a moment while Windows removes the app and its core files. If any windows pop up asking you to close Notion or related processes, go ahead and confirm. In some cases, you might be asked to restart your computer to finish cleaning up. If you see that message, a quick restart helps finalize the process. When the prompt's complete, Notion will be removed from your Windows laptop. If you ever decide to use it again, you can reinstall it from the official Notion website. Remember, uninstalling the app from your device doesn't affect your online workspaces or notes. They remain tied to your account. If you plan to reinstall later, keeping your login details handy will make it even faster to get back in. And that's all there is to it. Click the search bar, type Notion, select Uninstall, and follow the prompts. It's a fast, reliable way to remove the app without digging through settings. And that's how to uninstall